Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to move your Litecoin from Robinhood to Kucoin in 2025, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but it's always smart to double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're diversifying your crypto portfolio or just exploring new exchanges, I'll walk you through each step clearly and quickly. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Robinhood and Kucoin, and that you've enabled two-factor authentication for added security. It's a must in the crypto world. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood app or website. Once you're in, navigate to your portfolio and find your Litecoin holdings. Tap or click on it to access your wallet details. Now, look for the withdraw or transfer option. It's usually under a crypto or withdraw tab. If you're new to this, Robinhood might prompt you with some information about fees and processing times, so take a moment to read that. Step 2. Select the amount of Litecoin you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be minimum withdrawal amounts and network fees, especially since Litecoin uses the Lieutenant Kernel network. Be mindful of these to avoid surprises. Fees can vary based on network congestion in 2025, so check current rates. Next up, Step 3. You'll need your Kucoin wallet address. Hop over to your Kucoin account, go to your wallet, and copy the Litecoin deposit address. Pro tip. Always verify this address to prevent any errors, as sending to the wrong place could mean losing your funds forever. Back in Robinhood, paste that Kucoin address into the withdrawal form and confirm the amount. Double-check everything one last time before hitting submit. Once you do, Robinhood will process the withdrawal, which might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the network. Finally, Step 4. Head back to Kucoin and monitor your account for the incoming Litecoin. Once it arrives, you're all set. If you run into any issues, like delays or errors, contact support on either platform right away. There you have it. Transferring Litecoin from Robinhood to Kucoin doesn't have to be complicated. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto space, and I'll see you in the next video.